Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel like Tech Programming. Today I'm going to tell you about how you can create a free website without paying anyone, or just like without paying anything for your domain, or just like for your hosting and for your content as well. Now, so there are 4 platforms we have to creating a free website. First one is just like wix.com, second one is just like website.com, and then I'm gonna be right here. And the third one is called webly.com, and the fourth one is called yola.com. So first I've go to this right here, like wix.com. You can just sign up here, and you can log in with your Gmail as well. So you can create a website on wix.com easily, or related to your business, e-commerce business, or just like traffic business, or just that you want to introduce your products, or just anything else. And the second one is just like website.com. In this website, or just like in this platform, you have very great opportunities, or just like they are paying a very good offers for their clients, or just like for their customers as well. If I'm going to click on this, just like get a free domain before, just like or just I'm gonna be after registration, completing your registration to this website and verify your user credentials with your email, you will get to access to this website. And after that, when I click on this get a free domain, and I'm just gonna be searching any domain, just like if I'm gonna be say that like free blogs, or just like free blogs, anything, just .com, let's see this domain is available or not. And the third one is gonna be like is freewebsite.com. You can just create your website after same processing, just registration, completing this and processing and login processing. After, you will get the access as well from webly.com. You will have a lot of opportunities, or just like a lot of features in this website. You can add it for your businesses, or just like for your any other activities. After that, the last one is from yola.com, is as well a very good platform for creating a free website, and they are also giving the like templates, blogs, pricing, and they are also great features, and they are offering a free trial. Like if I'm gonna click on this, and you can sell their products and grow your business after creating free websites to these platforms like wix.com, website.com. So as you can see that there are a lot of domains are available right here right now, like freeblogs.org, biz, info, co.uk, and many websites are just like available right now. If I'm going to click on this blogs.eu, and after that I'm going to be going to the square dot, and we have this one webly.com. It will take some time to open their website content, so because of this thing. And if I'm going to go to the yola.com, I have to reload the page once again. So check out the, oh, it's showing us the like I'm just gonna be reload the page, so that's why their sign up page is gone. So you can just sign up with this website. You can create export the templates. They are offering a lot of templates, and they have many free templates. You will select anyone, and I will start editing, and you just add your own content, or just like add your own products, and as well you will get to know how you can manage it, because this thing is gonna be defines you very well while you are working with these guys. And they are also having multiple languages like French, English, Dutch, Italian, Portuguese, and Espanol, and these are the languages they are also giving options for their clients and as well as customers. After that, so you can see this guy is webly.com. They also have sign up page. You have to complete this, and creating your websites as well now. So when I'm going to do website.com, so they are offering the prices, they have features of prices like elite, business basics, personal, and there are many features in their domains offering for their clients and customers as well now, like free custom domain name, SL certificates, website storage space, and premium support as well now. Online store bundles, they are offering the online store bundles, free Lear and basics. You can see this, guys. And if I'm going to be click on business and e-commerce, they are also have prices for business and e-commerce, 22 per month, 16 per month, 10 per month. So you will create your free website without paying anyone or any developer or anything, or just like I'm gonna say that if anyone, you will get complete guidance while you were creating the website to these platforms, just like Wix, get start like website.com, sign up is straightup.com, or just like webly.com, or just like Jola.com. So if you like this video, kindly guys subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon, and also share this video. And if you need any kind of information about tech programming, you can subscribe to this channel. You will get to know about how you can create a form registrations and just like websites, or if you need anything like validations forms, or how you can create the software as well, or just like servers as well. You will get all the details, or just like anything to my this tech programming channel. So please guys, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon as well, and like the video. That's really good for me or as well everything. So I'm going to share these links to my description link. You will get these links and you will create the website with the help of while I'm giving to you the link into my descriptions. So thank you very much, guys.